With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question which is given to us is the pH at equivalence point for the titration of 0.1 molar KH2BO3 with 0.1 molar HCl, where Ka value is reported as H3BO3 for it is given as 12.8 into 10 raised to minus 10. Now we have to report our answer by rounding it up to nearest whole number. So we have to find the pH at equivalence point. So to proceed with this, first we will write down the reaction which is happening. So it is the reaction between 0.1 molar KH2BO3 with 0.1 molar HCl. So the further reaction, if I want to write, where Ka value which is given to us is 12.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 for H3BO3. The reaction which is happening is H3BO3 minus plus H3O plus will give me H3BO3 plus H2O. At time t is equal to 0, we have 0.1 V concentration from N1V1, okay, and 0.1 V and 0 of this. At t is equal to equivalence point, T equivalence I'm writing, it would be 0 moles of this would be remaining and 0 moles of this would be remaining and 0 moles of this would be remaining, and only this thing will be there, that is 0.1 V, that is the final mole divided by total volume. That will give me 0.05 moles molarity. So to determine the pH, only the first ionization step of H3BO3 is important for us. So the first ionization step of H3BO3, first ionization step is H3BO3 plus H2O will give me H2BO3 minus plus H3O plus. From here on, we can write the value of Ka, which will come out to be Ka is equal to concentration of H2BO3 minus multiplied by concentration of H3O plus the whole divided by concentration of H3BO3. And in the question, it is given to be 12.8 into 10 raised to minus 10. Now, we have the values for each and every term. So, Ka will be equal to x square divided by 0.05. That will be equal to 12.8 into 10 raised to minus 10. Now, if I want to find the value of x square, I will cross multiply it, and the value of x square I will get to be 64 into 10 raised to minus 12, which will give me x value equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is the also concentration for H3O plus. So if I have the concentration of H3O plus, I can easily find the pH, because pH is equal to minus log of H3O plus. So that would be equal to minus log of 8 into 10 raised to minus 6, which will give me pH value equal to 5.09. So the answer for this question will be pH at equivalence point will be 5.09. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.